This is a quick overview of the hitch that's on the Mahindra Roxor. This thing is built. This plate has got to be 3/8 of an inch thick. It's held on by 12 smaller bolts. They're all threaded into the bumper already, except for these two in here. You do have to put nuts on them. These two upper bolts are threaded into the bumper also. The bottom two have nuts on them. This thing is built. That plate alone is 19 pounds. It has a good bend on the bottom. That's going to give you extra strength. The hitch on the stock Roxor sits around that 20-inch mark, wherever you want to measure it. It's a standard 2-inch ball with a pintle combo, so I think you're pretty safe towing anything. And my helper is checking things out again today. Little video of the D-rings from the Roxor accessory page. Very straightforward. You use the bolts that are in the bumper, so you just run them out, slip the D-ring on, and run them back in.